Why? 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 Hey, do you want some of my... Oh, sorry, I forgot. But aren't you African? What do you eat? Why? Does that mean you can't eat bread? But you're black. What if you were starving and the only thing around was a hamburger? Then would you? What do you eat? Some of this? Do you want? No, have some of this. Oh, right. Sorry. Wait, so what do you eat? But you eat fish, right? You're vegan? Vegan? Why? You can have some leaves if you want. How do you survive? Africans can't be vegetarians. Don't you miss chicken and pepperoni? I couldn't survive without meat. Hey, do you want some of my... Oh, sorry, I forgot. Oh, I'm so tired. I have a headache. I have love handles. I have constipation. My stomach hurts. Oh. I have heartburn. Hey, do you want some of my... Oh, sorry. Oh, that's right. You're vegan. Oh, no, don't. She's vegan. Forget it. She's vegan. Just eat it. Just eat it. Try some of this. No, just pick out the meat. I understand meat, but milk and eggs? What? They want us to take their milk. They like it. What's wrong with milk and eggs? What? Milk and eggs? But you eat fish, right? Do you eat fish? But why? What if you were stranded on a completely deserted island with only a chicken? Can you have bread? Eat bread? Are you gonna tell lions to become vegans too? Oh my god, I saw this guy run over this squirrel and it was so sad. I just started crying. You wanna go to McDonald's? No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not vegan. I saw you eat meat. But aren't you African? What are you gonna do if I put this chicken in your face? You want it? Do you want it? I know you want it. Stop trying to push your beliefs on me. What do you eat? That poor puppy. I'll take a steak. I got pizza. No, don't worry. I got cheese. How are you alive right now? How do you survive? Aren't vegans supposed to be skinny? Why? God gave man the right to eat all animals. We have to eat them, so we have to. I need my meat. You're a vegan? Oh, do you eat chicken? Do you eat fish?
What you gonna continue after alcohol?